Now, viewers, this is a story that we've been following since morning. It's a big war on the Congress rally. Shocker. Congress workers chant, Modi Teri, Qabr, Khudegi. BJP slams the hate slogan, says this is no dissent. J.P. Nadda, Kiren, Rijiju lead the BJP Sansad showdown. BJP asks, is this mohabbat ki dukaan that the Congress speaks of? And the Congress, however, remains defiant even within the House as the debate currently continues. Says no apology, no sorry. Because remember, the BJP leaders, the MPs, they had already come out to demand an apology on these very remarks that were made at the mega rally that had taken place at the Ramlila Maidan only yesterday. The Congress has said that the chants reflect the reality of India, the battle lines on death to Modi chants. That's the battle lines that's been drawn at this given point within the houses of the Parliament, the winter session being underway. We've already seen quite a few confrontations that's taken place between the centre, the MPs of the NDA and the opposition parties, but this seems to be the latest flashpoint. Let me quickly, in fact, take you through some of the reactions that's come in before we proceed with our discussion with Piyush.
सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने आजादी की लड़ाई में कहा, तुम मुझे खून दो, हम तुम्हें आजादी देंगे। खून दो का मतलब क्या मर्डर होता है, ये भावार्थ होता है। ये सत्ता की कब्र, यहाँ सत्ता के बारे कहा गया है। ये एक मुहावरे की तरह, लोकोक्ति की तरह इस प्रकार इस शब्द का प्रयोग किया गया है।
ये शब्दों का प्रयोग गलत नहीं आपको लगता है?
मैंने कहा कि भाषा की मर्यादा होनी चाहिए, शालीनता होनी चाहिए, लेकिन इस पे ऐसा कोई आरोप नहीं है और उनके कोई व्यक्तिगत नहीं, सत्ता से संबंध में बात कही है।
सोनिया गांधी माफी मांगेंगी क्योंकि मांग जेपी नड्डा कर रहे हैं?
इस सवाल ही नहीं पैदा। मैं समझ तो मैं स्पष्ट करूं, पहले यहाँ कहीं कोई गलत ऐसी बातें नहीं हुई थी और मैं आज भी बोल रहा हूँ, इस सत्ता के संदर्भ में है, किसी व्यक्ति पे नहीं है।
ये तरीके के नारे कांग्रेस पार्टी के सोच और मानसिकता को दर्शाता है। ये नामदारों के झंझलाहट को स्पष्ट इंगित करता है और साथ में इस तरीके की बात कहना एक प्रधानमंत्री जी के खिलाफ और मृत्यु की कामना करना, यह अपने आप में बहुत ही निंदनीय है। इसके लिए हमारे नेता प्रतिपक्ष और कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता यहां बैठी हैं, आदरणीय सोनिया गांधी जी, इनको देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
कल कांग्रेस के रैली में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का कब्र खोदने के लिए बात कहा गया है। ये इस देश के लिए बहुत दुखद समय है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ऐसा शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं और सारे कांग्रेस पार्टी पूरे का पूरे नेतृत्व उस रैली में मौजूद थे और प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का कब्र खोदने के लिए इन्होंने नारा लगाया। इस देश के लिए इससे शर्मनाक, इससे ज्यादा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण कोई चीज नहीं हो सकता है कि देश के प्रधानमंत्री 140 करोड़ के नेता, विश्व में सबसे प्रसिद्ध, सबसे मजबूत नेता आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का कब्र खोदने के लिए कांग्रेस के रैली में बात कहा गया है। मैं चाहता हूं कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व माफी मांगना चाहिए, इस सदन के माध्यम से देश से माफी मांगना चाहिए।
Now, next up, we're taking you to the very moment when this entire episode, in fact, unfolded. These are the workers who were chanting the very slogan, Modi Teri, Kabar, Khudegi, yesterday. Let's quickly take you through what exactly went down there. So, viewers, those were some of the voices that, in fact, began these very chants yesterday at the Ramlila Maidan, where the Vote Chor Gaddi Chor rally that was in fact underway on Sunday here in the national capital itself. There were Congress workers from different parts of the country that had come in to in fact join. The entire rally was being led by leaders like Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi. In fact, Karnataka Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivkumar respectively, both of them also joined leading that very rally. And it is at that very rally where these voices could be seen coming up, chanting slogans of this very similar sort, of this very kind that you just heard. And that, in fact, has been picked up by the BJP today, right before the Parliament, in fact, began in session, gathered for the session for the day, and then the debate, in fact, caused a huge uproar within both the houses. So this is the entire sequence of events that's gone down. Now, there's a lot of reactions that's come in from both sides at this given point. The Congress has remained defiant with regards to the fact that these remarks aren't specifically calling for somebody's death, but it's just more of a sentiment that's been expressed by these workers. They have remained defiant that they will not be apologizing, they will not be saying sorry, which in fact was the demand from all the BJP leaders, the BJP MPs, be it Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju, who in fact brought it up in the Parliament, within the House of the Parliament, as well as J.P. Nadda, who also spoke on it, demanding an apology on the same, saying that it's not only an insult to Modi himself, but also the constitutional chair of the Prime Minister. So this is what we're looking at. It's a big political flashpoint that's erupted between the two sides at this given point, right after the mega rally. The focus completely seems to have now gone on this very matter, this very episode that's played out. Again, the Parliament, there's already been uproar. We've seen both sides, in fact, express in quite a dramatic way that what they want, which is the BJP asking for an apology from the Congress, and the Congress still remaining defiant that this particular remark doesn't require or call for an apology in any particular way.